Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Audrey. Today we're going to be filming a nighttime skincare routine for those who want glowy skin for the summer. So I washed my face about 5 to 10 minutes ago because I had to set up everything, but it's feeling kind of tight. Usually you should start your skincare right away after you had washed your face. So let's see, to start off, I guess I should talk about my skin, huh? My skin is probably a combination with oily in the T-zone and dry around the perimeter. Lately it's been more sensitive too, so every time I put pressure on my face it would turn red pretty easily. I washed my face with the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, and this is for people with normal to oily skin. It's pretty gentle on my skin and you can use it every day and it won't strip your skin. And then before that I usually do the whole double cleanse kind of thing. So I go in with the Micellar cleansing water first and then the Cetaphil cleanser. I have my Pixi Retinol Tonic. I'm almost out of it. But I also go back and forth between this and the, what is this? The Glow Tonic, the orange bottle of this. Oh, also I'm wearing a tube top, so I'm not naked. Rub. Not too harsh. Make sure that you go in upward motions down your neck too, because dirt does collect throughout the day down here. So, and I cleansed my face pretty well. There's nothing on there. Okay, next up, I use the advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, and I got this from Ulta. Focus. There you go. It's always sold out at Ulta, so if you get a chance, get your hands on this because it's pretty good. So online it does say that this is for people who struggle with acne and things, but for me I mainly just use it for moisture and to balance out my skin after I tone it and everything. And this is just a step before my moisturizer. See what I mean by my skin turns red easily? Yeah. I don't know why it's never been like this. But the last thing started happening around last year. Something just triggered my skin and now it's super sensitive and I have to take a Zyrtec pill every day, because not only does it turn red but it does get itchy like throughout my whole body, not just my face. My skin gets itchy and so I have to take a Zyrtec every day just to keep the itchiness at bay. But I'm not putting a lot of pressure on my skin. It's just, it looks like I am because my face is red, but I'm really not. So I used about 2 pumps of that. Alright, once that has synced in, we're gonna go in with this oil I use religiously every single day. Focusing. It's the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate, and it's great for, it's read from the bottle, right? Restoring the appearance of skin by morning, and it really boosts the moisture level in your skin and really brightens up everything And I really see a difference, like between the time when I don't use it and when I do use it. So my holy grail. It's pretty pricey, but I think it's worth it. I haven't used the other serums or oils from Kiehl's, but I want to. Okay, so 4 to 5 drops of that. And the lady at the counter told me to, you know, rub in between your palms to warm it up. And then gently pat into your skin. We don't want premature wrinkles. And I make sure to pat around my smile lines. Because as you can see, I have pretty chubby cheeks. So when I smile, like these really crease. Pat, pat, pat. While you're doing this, give yourself a little massage. Go around your eyes. Go up your cheeks. Remember, upward and out. Don't ever drag down. I pat on my eyes too. I don't know if it's just me, but it does seem like this oil is helping my lashes grow. I don't know. I might be crazy. My skin is on the drier side today, so we're gonna add one more step. Usually I don't do this. I might. I've been using the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. It's supposed to be very hydrating. A lot of people have already talked about this on YouTube a lot. So we're just gonna go and spray. Just for more moisture. Oh, my face is so red. But it will all look okay at the end. See, as you can see, like there's already a glow right there. Who needs highlighter, right? Longest time I used the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This big tub. Shoot. Focus! Okay, it's not gonna focus, but it's just this white tub. So you can see it is completely out. It's really good. It really retains moisture in your skin for how many hours? 24 hours. I think that's pretty accurate. And my skin doesn't ever flake with that moisturizer. So since I'm out of this, I've been trying this Drunk Elephant Protini cream that I got as a birthday gift from Sephora. Now, I was thinking about purchasing this for a while too. Okay, there you go. The texture is interesting to use like that much, because it does go a long way. But to be honest, I think the Drunk Elephant moisturizer, even though it's really hyped up and pretty sure it's more expensive than the Kiehl's one, it's not as good as the Kiehl's one. Like with the Kiehl's, it really makes my face glowy and dewy right away, but this one kind of mattifies everything. It's a good basic moisturizer. I just don't think I would purchase the full size of it. It's good for now until I'm out of that little trial size. Then I'll look for something else. Maybe go back to the Kiehl's. to the little piano fingers. Oh no! I forgot to add this. This is the Aveeno Positively Radiant MaxGlow Infusion Drops. I just got this about 3 days ago, and I think it does work. Haven't used it for that long, but I think it does work. So what I would do is between the step of this and my toner. So after my toner, I get 3 pumps of this, rub it onto my face, and then I go into this. It really does provide a glow to your skin. I don't know if it just adds the sheen for a glow or if it does really give you moisture, but I like it so far. And the smell is mild and pretty nice. What word am I trying to look for? Calming. There you go. It's pretty calming to use at night, especially. Now we're gonna go into eye cream. This is the MilkyDress Wrinkle and Whitening Eye Cream. This is a Korean brand. I'm using this temporarily until I find something better. It's okay. It does moisturize my under eyes. I don't know about the whitening aspect of it. It does moisturize and it's good enough for now. But I really want to try out the something banana eye cream. Henriksen. I don't know the full name, but everyone's been talking about it. Alright, now you're gonna pat with your ring fingers all around. You know, I always make sure to tie my hair up too before doing all this and before washing my face, because during the day your hair does collect dust and whatever is in the air, all the dirty stuff. So when you're doing this, you want to get your hair out of your face, so all that extra dirt, bacteria won't get onto, you know, your clean canvas. I don't know how some people film with a bunch of hair on their face. Okay, I think we are done. Another spritz of this. Actually, we're gonna go in with a lip mask. Everyone knows this one. It's the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It's just the pink one, basic one. I really pack it on. Let's tie the rest of my hair up so you guys can get a good feel of the glow. So this is what I do every night. I mean, besides the nights when I'm lazy from going out. See that glow? When you wake up in the morning, it does like make a big difference for when you do this whole thing, as opposed to when you just go to bed with makeup on or don't wash your face and not do these steps. I do see a big difference. Oh, one product I forgot to mention. I use the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. It has AHA to resurface your skin and reveal new, smooth baby skin. It does work. But for my sensitive skin, I don't use it every day. I use it maybe once a week. It's suggested that you use 2 to 3 times a week, but I don't think my skin can take that much. But it makes my skin super smooth. and the glow is amazing. So that's all, you guys. I'm done. I think this concludes our video. If you guys want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you. Have a good night.